Have you ever wondered how a simple change in your diet could be your secret weapon against some of the deadliest diseases, including cancer? Imagine turning your everyday meals into a powerful defense mechanism for your body, all while enjoying delicious, natural flavors. Stick with me as we uncover the incredible benefits of 9 superfoods that not only fight cancer, but also supercharge your health in ways you never imagined. Let's embark on this journey to wellness, one fruit at a time. 1. Blueberries, nature's tiny powerhouse. Blueberries are more than just a sweet addition to your morning cereal. They are a cancer-fighting powerhouse, packed with antioxidants. These tiny berries are loaded with anthocyanins, the compounds responsible for their deep blue color. Anthocyanins help reduce inflammation and protect the cells in your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage and are linked to various diseases, including cancer. Incorporating blueberries into your daily diet can provide significant protection against certain cancers, particularly those of the colon and breast. In fact, studies suggest that consuming blueberries regularly may slow down the growth of cancerous cells by preventing DNA damage. Additionally, the fiber and vitamin C content in blueberries help boost your immune system, enhancing your body's natural ability to fight off disease. For a delicious and healthy snack, enjoy fresh blueberries by themselves. Toss them into smoothies or sprinkle them over a bowl of oatmeal. Their sweet and tangy flavor can also complement fruit salads and baked goods, making them an easy and enjoyable addition to any meal. Blueberries truly earn their reputation as a superfood that promotes long-term health and vitality. 2. Dragon fruit, the exotic defender. Dragon fruit, also known as papaya, isn't just visually striking, it's a treasure trove of nutrients and cancer-fighting properties. With its vibrant pink skin and white flesh, speckled with tiny black seeds, this tropical fruit is a feast for the eyes and the body. Rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants like betalains and carotenoids, dragon fruit works as a powerful ally in fighting oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to cell damage and the development of cancer. The antioxidants in dragon fruit neutralize free radicals, reducing the likelihood of cancerous mutations within your cells. Additionally, the high fiber content promotes gut health by supporting healthy digestion and preventing the formation of toxins in the digestive tract, which can contribute to colon cancer. Its natural sweetness also makes it a perfect, healthy snack. To enjoy dragon fruit, you can slice it up and eat it fresh, or add it to your smoothies for a tropical twist. You can also use it as a vibrant topping for yogurt or fruit bowls, enhancing both the visual appeal and nutritional value of your meals. Its versatility and health benefits make it a valuable addition to any diet. 3. Apples, the daily superfruit. An apple a day truly does help keep the doctor away, especially when it comes to fighting cancer. Apples are packed with a powerful antioxidant known as quercetin, which helps reduce inflammation and protect the body from oxidative stress. Quercetin is particularly effective in reducing the risk of lung, colorectal, and breast cancers. Apples are also a great source of fiber, which supports healthy digestion and helps to maintain a balanced cancer-preventive diet. Not only are apples rich in antioxidants and fiber, but they also contain flavonoids, which have been shown to help combat free radicals and reduce cell mutations that could lead to cancer. Eating an apple every day can boost your immune system, support heart health, and improve digestive function, all of which play an essential role in cancer prevention. The beauty of apples lies in their simplicity and versatility. You can enjoy them raw for a quick, satisfying snack, or get creative by incorporating them into salads, baking them with cinnamon for a cozy dessert, or adding slices to your oatmeal or yogurt. With so many delicious ways to enjoy them, apples make cancer prevention easy and enjoyable. 4. Avocados, the creamy healer. Avocados are much more than just a creamy addition to your toast. They are a nutritional powerhouse that can help prevent cancer and boost your overall health. Rich in healthy fats, avocados contain oleic acid, which has been linked to reduced inflammation and a lower risk of breast cancer. The high levels of glutathione in avocados act as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that contribute to oxidative stress and cancer development. But avocados don't just fight cancer. They also promote heart health, improve digestion, and support skin health, making them a holistic addition to your diet. Their high fiber content also aids in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of metabolic diseases like diabetes, which is often associated with an increased risk of certain cancers. Incorporating avocados into your meals is easy. Spread them on toast, add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or use them as a base for dips like guacamole. Their versatility allows you to enjoy them in both savory and sweet dishes, making them a great nutrient-packed option for any time of day. 5. Grapefruit, the citrus protector. Grapefruit may be a little tart, but it's a citrus fruit that offers serious health benefits, especially when it comes to cancer prevention. This vibrant fruit is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that helps lower the risk of prostate cancer and inhibits the growth of cancer cells in the body. Lycopene is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals, thus protecting healthy cells from oxidative damage and reducing inflammation. Grapefruit is also packed with vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps your body fight off harmful pathogens. Its high fiber content promotes digestive health, preventing the formation of toxins in the digestive tract, which can increase the risk of colon cancer. To incorporate grapefruit into your diet, enjoy it as a refreshing breakfast fruit. Add it to your salads or drink fresh grapefruit juice to kickstart your day. Its natural sweetness and tartness also make it a perfect addition to smoothies and fruit bowls, offering a refreshing and healthy burst of flavor. 6. Papaya, the tropical guardian. Papaya is a tropical fruit that goes beyond just tasting delicious. It plays a key role in protecting your body against cancer. This vibrant fruit is packed with powerful antioxidants, such as lycopene and beta-carotene, which help neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from damage. The enzyme papain, found in papaya, aids digestion by breaking down proteins, making it an excellent post-meal option. What makes papaya even more remarkable is its role in reducing cancer risk. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in papaya can help prevent cell mutations, which are often the starting point for cancer. Regular consumption of papaya can also improve skin health, boost the immune system, and support heart health, making it a well-rounded superfood. Enjoy papaya fresh, blended into smoothies, or use it as a topping for yogurt or oatmeal. It's also great for adding a tropical flair to fruit salads and salsas, making it an easy and delicious way to incorporate cancer-fighting nutrients into your diet. 7. Blackberries, the DNA protectors. Blackberries are not only packed with flavor, but they are also loaded with health benefits that can help protect your DNA from cancer-causing mutations. These tiny berries are rich in anthocyanins and ellagic acid, two antioxidants known for their anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. By neutralizing free radicals, these compounds help reduce oxidative stress and prevent cellular damage that could lead to cancer. In addition to their cancer-fighting properties, blackberries are high in vitamin K, which supports bone health, and manganese, which helps with metabolism and immune function. These berries also contain fiber, which supports digestive health and helps reduce the risk of colon cancer. Blackberries are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in various ways. You can snack on them raw, add them to smoothies, mix them into yogurt or cereal, or bake them into pies and muffins. Their sweet, tart flavor makes them a delightful addition to any meal or snack. 8. Pineapple, the sweet healer. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that's as sweet as it is beneficial to your health. One of the key compounds found in pineapple is bromelain, an enzyme known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Bromelain has been shown to reduce inflammation and slow down the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and colon cancers. Pineapple is also a great source of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, and manganese, which supports healthy bones and metabolism. Its high antioxidant content helps protect the body from oxidative damage, keeping your cells healthy and reducing the risk of cancer. Whether you enjoy pineapple fresh, grilled, or blended into a smoothie, it's an easy fruit to add to your diet. You can also use it in salads, salsas, or as a topping for desserts. Pineapple's natural sweetness makes it a perfect ingredient for a variety of dishes, both savory and sweet. 9. Cherries, the anti-inflammatory hero. Cherries are not just a seasonal treat, they are a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect your body against cancer. Rich in anthocyanins and quercetin, cherries fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, both of which are linked to cancer development. These compounds also help prevent DNA mutations that could lead to cancer. Cherries are also known for their high melatonin content, which promotes restful sleep, a key factor in maintaining a healthy immune system. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off diseases like cancer, making cherries a valuable addition to your diet. You can enjoy cherries fresh, frozen, or dried as a snack, or incorporate them into smoothies, desserts, or salads. Their sweet and tart flavor adds a delightful twist to any dish, making it easy to reap the health benefits they offer. Incorporating these 9 superfruits into your daily diet can be a delicious and effective way to fight cancer and enhance your overall health. Each of these fruits offers unique natural compounds that protect your cells, boost your immune system, and reduce inflammation, making them essential for long-term wellness. So why not take the step today to add these cancer-fighting superfruits to your meals? Stay healthy, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.